Hi everyone, I'm Carlos.
I'm Sarah, and in this video we want to make a
Simple
simple
frame
frame
tripod.
tripod.
First, we're gonna be cutting a 1x4 lumber into 3 pieces using a table saw.
As you see, we have 3 pieces, 1 in the back and 2 in front. One of these pieces got a big hole, so we can't use it. By the way, we decided to use a recycled lumber we already have in our workshop.
Now it's time to sand and pass the water to round the edge. Also, I will cut the recycled lumber to the length of the other pieces. Some power tools belong to my grandfather. For example, the sand tool that I'm using. Because the wire is damaged, I'm using it with masking tape.
For this project, a router is a good power tool for give beautiful and smooth details.
If you see, it needs a little bit of effort to sand a recycled lumber because of the dirty layer it has.
This part is already sanded, but the others need to be sanded too.
Now I take a piece of wood with angle to draw an angle line in the 2 front pieces. We are not sure about the specific angle of this recycled piece, but we think this could be useful for this project.
As you see, the screw is smaller, so we decided to cut the central piece of wood to the screw embed better.
This is another front piece. It will be the base in which the frame will be put in, and it will be attached to the two front legs.
Okay, our camera is old and needs batteries. So the battery is discharged and we can record this part of the video. This is the final result of our tripod.
We hope you like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more videos.
Please
Don't forget to subscribe.
don't forget it.